If you're looking to grow your savings, an interest account is an ideal place to safely store your money. Whether you're building an emergency fund or saving to buy a home, these type of savings account can help you reach your financial goals. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss the best places to save money and earn interest. High Yield Savings Account. A high yield savings account, also referred to as a high interest account, is a type of savings account that offers better than average interest rates on deposits. Typically, high-yield savings accounts pay significantly more than the national average of a standard or traditional savings account. Aside from the benefit of better returns, a high-yield savings account allows your money to grow risk-free, making it ideal for storing short-term savings. For example, investing in the stock market may historically bring higher annual returns, but that also means accepting the risk of market volatility and unpredictable annual returns, whereas a high-yield savings account generally offers a competitive interest rate on all your deposits. While the interest rate is variable and can fluctuate, a high-yield savings account is a great option if you want to grow your savings while avoiding the risks associated with investing in the stock market. A high-yield savings account can be linked to your checking account, so you can easily transfer funds into the account through your bank's mobile app or online. If you need to access the funds, you can transfer the money to your linked checking account or withdraw cash through an ATM. However, some banks may limit you to 6 withdrawals or transfers per monthly cycle. Interest-bearing checking account. Interest-bearing checking accounts allow you to earn interest on the account balance, which regular checking accounts don't provide. Earning interest is really the only difference between an interest-bearing and regular checking account. Though an interest checking account may require a higher balance to avoid a monthly fee, there are exceptions, usually at online banks. It makes sense to earn interest on all your bank accounts, as long as there are no monthly service fees or if they can be easily avoided with direct deposit or by maintaining a minimum balance. An interest-bearing checking account can put your money to work, whether you have a savings account or not. An interest-bearing checking account provides the opportunity for the money in your checking to grow, allowing you to meet your savings and spending goals at the same time. Often, in order to earn interest, you must put money in an account that may limit your ability to make withdrawals. However, with an interest-earning checking account, you always have access to withdraw, deposit and spend your money as you like. The money you don't use earns interest in the meantime. This liquidity of funds allows you to have greater flexibility while making sure your money isn't losing value. Many interest-bearing checking accounts offer low to no fees when you open the account. Maintaining a minimum balance ensures smooth sailing as your funds earn interest worry-free. Certificate of deposit. Certificates of deposit typically earn high rates, but they generally require that you not withdraw your money for a certain time period, such as 1 year, or even 5 years. With a CD ladder, you divide up the money you're setting aside and put it into several certificates with different term lengths. That way, there will be multiple maturity dates. When each CD matures, you can reinvest that money into a longer-term certificate while your other funds are in CDs with closer maturity dates. By doing this, you will be taking advantage of CDs with the longest term lengths, which tend to have the highest CD rates, while also having regular access to your money each year. Here's an example of how a CD ladder works. Instead of putting $10,000 into a 1-year CD that you renew every year, divide it into 5 investments of $2,000. Then, open a 1-year CD, a 2-year CD, a 3-year CD and so on. After a year, when your first CD matures, you can put that first $2,000, and the interest earned, into a new 5-year certificate. As each CD matures each year, you'll repeat the process. Inflation currently outpaces any savings account you can hope to keep. To maintain your money's buying power, you'll need to be comfortable with interest accounts. Helping people provide a solid foundation for a more secure financial future. One video at a time. We appreciate you tuning in and hope to see you again soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to click on one of our other videos. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell icon on your way out. See you all next time on Top 5 Hive.